Hey NORY team and fam, this is Mr. G or Mr. Dan. I'm super excited to be a part of this community, and this is my unboxing video. So I'm seeing it says priority mail on here. That must be because having fun while learning is going to be our priority all summer long. So let's see what we've got in here. And as I'm opening, I see 2 bags labeled Monday. Now I'm going to have a case of the Mondays, and the Monday is going to be the Egg Drop Challenge. Man, I'm hoping we don't scramble anything. I'm hoping we don't over easy, but I am psyched for this Egg Drop Challenge. And Dragon Fire, I don't even know what that's about. Now, we got Monday all set. Tuesday, another 2 bags, 2 for Tuesday. And on Tuesday, we are going to have the Phone Protector Challenge. I have fumbled my phone a couple times. I have cracked that screen. That is a pricey mistake. I'm excited to see what we come up with for the Phone Protector Challenge. It looks like maybe we even get some glitter, some sparkles involved here. I don't even know. I am psyched for this. All right, that's Tuesday. On to Wednesday. And for Wednesday's challenge, we've got the robotic delivery cart. Now, I'm seeing a little stuffed animal head here. I'm seeing some pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks. We've got a lot to work with as we invent a robotic delivery cart. I cannot wait to see what we come up with there. Making life simpler and better for everybody. Now, Thursday, that back half of the week, wearable motorized fan. Now, some more pipe cleaners to work with this day. All right. I'm seeing a plate. I'm seeing a battery. Whew. That'll be Thursday. Man, this week is going to be awesome. Let's see how we're going to wrap it up on Friday. Let's see how we're going to close out the Inventors Challenge week. The GTK, crank and headgear flashlight. Oh my Lord. A headgear flashlight. What am I going to do with this fedora? Well, I guess we'll have to get rid of it for the headgear flashlight that we will be inventing together. Man. Now, these projects are so interesting. And you know what? We're going to make a lot of awesome mistakes during it. We're going to have so much fun doing it. I can't wait. And the last thing in this box, we've got our NORY lesson plan guides to help us understand how we're going to use these materials to accomplish all these challenges, to make those mistakes and work through them together. As I open this up, yeah, I see Inventors Challenge Day 1. I see Inventors Challenge Day 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can't wait to read through these, absorb them, and then to share in this process. Really looking forward to Thursday and Friday via the computer screen, getting to meet you all and know you all. And of course, really looking forward to Monday, where we get to meet our kids and work with them through these Inventors Challenges. Thank you all. This is my unboxing video. See you all soon.